Hello students! Today we're going to do lesson 1.7.2, American English Listening with Maestro Sersea. So welcome to Year 1, Week 7, Lesson 1.7.2. Today we will work on your English listening and reading comprehension via 3 of our conversation topics for English learners activities. And as you can see, we have part 1, directions, watch the video, read the text below, then translate the text in your primary language and read it again. So you would click here.
If you were to have an all-paid vacation.
So you would watch this video, then you would read this in English. Now, you would translate it using the translator here, and then read it in English. Then you go to the next one, part 2, watch the video, read the text below in English, and then translate this text into your primary language using the translate section here. And the third part, the same thing. You watch the video, read this passage in English, and then translate it into your language using the translate buttons here. And finally, after you're done, just leave a reply. Let us know how you learned and what you learned from this lesson. Okay? Thank you very much. I appreciate you working so hard to improve your English skills.